Hello, my name is Ska Keller. I'm a member of the European Parliament for the Green Party, and I'm dealing with climate migration because I think climate migration is a hugely important topic because it affects a lot of people all over the globe, and especially people living in very poor countries, and in those poor countries even poorer people who are affected by climate change. The climate change that we have caused in the European Union, in the US, in the industrialized world, so to say. And those people that are affected by climate change and therefore have to migrate, have to move, they're not under any sort of protection. They're getting very little support. Usually their governments are also poor and not very much able to help them. And it's a problem that we have caused and we need to help. Therefore, I think we need to tackle climate migration. We need to offer protection to those people affected by climate change that much, that we need to offer solutions as well from the European Union for that part. So therefore, I think that the European Union should give money, for instance, for climate adaptation, but also for climate mitigation in third countries. And we should also fight for an international protection scheme as well that protects those refugees, because there will be more and more of them. And for the moment, they have little to no protection. But it's also important that we help the countries where the climate migrants are, because it is expected that very few of those people will actually cross international borders, and mostly they will stay in their own countries or regions and just move to the next village or the next bigger city. So we need to offer support on the ground and to those people that are in need at the moment. But we shouldn't lean back and say, oh, the problem is in other countries. No, we have caused the problem in the first place, climate change. We need to work against climate change, need to help countries and people to adapt, and we need to help the climate migrants because they're the ones worst affected also by climate change.